Hello there, it's Lewis from Team Cycles, and here we have the Elite Bleed Kit from Jagwire, the dot version. So let's take a look inside. So as we open the box, first thing we notice is the 2 Jagwire syringes, followed by the 3 bleed blocks that we use with different types of brake. Now with this being the dot version, this actually covers a number of different brakes, common brakes that we find within the bike world. Generally speaking, you have your SRAM, your lever port, you have your edge bleeding tool, which is on your common SRAM, there's that one there. If you have the older type of SRAM or Avid, we have a second bleeding tool for that, and then we have the nipple bleed tool just there. And this kit also comes with a vertical syringe clip like this. This also comes with the adapters that you need for formula and haze brakes, which screw into the other bits of kit, which makes it quite a versatile kit to use. The reason why I enjoy this kit, and I prefer to use this kit and have used this kit on hundreds of brakes. So one main reason is the syringes. They're really good quality syringes. You get a good pull and a good push on them. Some syringes, they do deteriorate over time. These are quite hard wearing, and it's quite a smooth action when you're transferring that pressure into the brake. The other reason is the stopcock, a little yellow clip. Now a lot of brakes have a little push clip to clip them inside when you're doing a vacuum bleed or stopping any pressure reverting back into that syringe. This has like a stopcock version, which in my opinion is a lot more secure, and you don't get that possibility of leaking air into the system or pulling fluid when you don't need to. The main reason I like this kit is the bleeding edge tool for SRAM. This one here. Lots of bleed kits that I've used in the past, the square attachment nozzle just on the front there tends to be a little loose when you're popping it into that bleed port. This has got a really positive snap into place. The seal's really good. They don't sort of wear down over time. So another reason I like it as well is that it does come with the formula and haze adapters for your bleed kit, which not a lot of kits do, but these are good high quality parts. There we are. So that is the Elite Bleed Kit from Jagwire, the dot version. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to use it.